Excuse me, sir. My deepest apologies to have you ejected from cryogenics at this time, sir. However, I'm getting an interference beneath the Caribbean Sea, sir. Over 600 kilometers deep. This can't be human, sir.
No, it's not human. It's him. Share the feed to the Soul Seeker and run algorithm.
The readings are purely organic. It's not logical, sir.
There is always a logical explanation for everything reasonable.
The code that you type in is generating an algorithm for a specific type of creature that frequents that location, sir.
Connection established.
The algorithm is complete. The creature will need its appearance in approximately 3 hours, sir.
Prepare the DM-3. I have an appointment to keep.